So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and in case this happens to be your first time, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now let's talk about the moment when Justin Gatlin said something very shocking about the Jamaican athlete. Now I will be sharing in detail every single thing that Justin Gatlin said about the Jamaican athlete. This is what Justin Gatlin said. He said, "I think Jamaica could dominate track and field over the long term after a period of drought following the retirement of the likes of Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell." Yes, this is exactly what Justin Gatlin said. What he means is that he feels like Jamaica are definitely going to keep dominating the track and field even after the retirement of Usain Bolt and Asafa Powell. So Justin Gatlin's opinion is that Jamaica are definitely going to keep winning races in the coming future, and they are going to be the country that will be dominating the world of track and field. And I feel like what Justin Gatlin says is actually the fact and the truth, because Jamaican athletes are very talented, and they have young upcoming sprinters that will take over the world. And I feel like Paris Olympic, these three Jamaican athletes, Shericka, Elaine, Thomson, and Shelly and Fraser are definitely going to dominate. I feel like there is possibility of 1, 2, 3 medals. Anyway guys, let me hear your opinions in the comment section about what Justin Gatlin from the United States of America said about this Jamaican athlete. Do you also believe that Jamaica will dominate